Knotted chains are a very common problem with most of us, and as jewelers we come across bunch of knots sometimes with different sizes of chains and different fineness. So even if there are thin chains, the knots are really easy to remove with the method that I'm going to show you. Make sure that you share this video with your friends or family, because it will help them too. All you need is a pair of pins, anything like needle, safety pins, anything as sharp and edgy like that. Just put the knotted chain on a table and tap slightly. Try to open it up and detangle it in the direction of the knot. It's like a game basically. You'll actually enjoy doing this. There you go. It's untangled and the chain is good. An idea that I usually do is to keep the chains in a Ziploc bag and keep the lock slightly outside and then zip it over. This way the chains do not tangle and I can avoid the knots. For more videos on how to detangle your life and make things easy, all I can say is stay connected.